Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker Onyx 8 by USB-C cable. And all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and right here at the back side, at the bottom, we have also USB-C port, so connect the second one right here. After that, press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. And now you can listen to music without, or watching a movie without pair the speaker to your phone by Bluetooth. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.